Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, man, today we have a throwback video from SB19. The title of this is Coffee Time with SB19 and Tatang Robin and the Honganda at Monsant, Jeju. I assume this is a part of their vlog na nasa Jeju sila, no? Kasama ba yun? Kasi if you guys remember, we did react to their Jeju vlog. Like, I think that's a 5-part vlog, if I remember it correctly. But yeah, so apparently there's a specific video or a separate video which is titled Coffee Time with SB19, Tatang Robin, and Honganda. Well, I mean, kilatip na ito para makompleto natin yung buong vlog na yun, no? So, without no further ado, let's get it. The old intro.
Hi! Okay, here is Jeju Island. Okay, Angling Space. Yes. Where is
Ano daw sabi ni Tatang Robin doon?
Jeju Island? Okay, Angling Space. Yes.
Anong angling space? Sabi niya, angling space.
Where is here?
Saan pa tayo?
Where is here?
We're in Jeju.
We're in Jeju. We are in Jeju. Pero nandito tayo sa GD Cafe. GD Dragon. Yes,
GD
my
Dragon.
idol.
Yes, before GD Cafe. I'm a baby.
Okay, alright. So this is actually the continuation, or not the continuation, or part of that vlog na meron siya sa Jeju, di ba? Meron silang vlog sa Jeju, which is a 5-part vlog. If I remember correctly, correct me if I'm wrong, basta marami yun eh. So punta sila sa GD cafe noon. So I guess this part is hindi talaga pinakita because maybe they're doing a separate video, which is this one.
Now is that? It's United Cafe.
United Cafe. I mean, Pablo has a coffee shop now. I mean, technically it's for the family.
So how do you feel that you visited? So how do you feel that you visited?
Firstly, it's very peaceful and the weather is really nice.
Yes.
You can see the sea. It's very beautiful. You will always relax.
Yeah, relax.
Relax.
How
Yep.
about that?
Express your feelings.
Pero ang ganda nga, no? Like yung coffee shop mo katabi ng dagat, parang ang sarap nga magkape dyan, no?
I saw.
Yes.
I mean, this is the closest collaboration that we have with with SB19 and with GD, no? With Big Bang.
How about Justin?
It is really amazing.
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 Also, drink good.
Very good.
Drink is good.
Hindi ko alam, minsan nahahawa si Pablo kay ano eh, no? Justin, amazing. Amazing.
Very, very good.
Okay.
Masarap.
Yeah, masarap. Okay.
Also express
Sing song.
by singing.
By singing it again as well.
Dito sa Jeju.
Yeah. Sobrang dito sa Jeju.
네.
와, 이거 people sumama na dito sa 이거 아니야?
You make it slower, slow.
Sumama na dito sa Jeju, Jeju.
How about 저 우리 세준?
I feel excited when I'm here. I always hear the beat. Jeju on the beat. Jeju on the beat.
Jeju on the beach.
Jeju on the beach.
Jeju on the beach.
Jeju on the beach. Okay. Dinagdagan pa ni Justin. Lagi talaga may entry, you know? Hindi nakawala ng entry.
Yeah. Oh, good. Josh.
That is super serious. In a serious mode in here now.
It feels like home.
Oh.
Yes, it feels like home. I don't wanna go back.
Oh.
No, just kidding. Just kidding.
You are
I don't wanna go
Just
back.
kidding. It's very relaxing, very unique place.
Yeah.
We cannot see this kind of view every day.
Yep.
Josh. Left.
Yeah, rap,
Rap.
rap,
Rap.
yo.
Freestyle rap.
Rap. Biglang sumayaw, no? Naguluhan na kung mag-rap mo, sasayaw eh.
Freestyle rap. Bigyan mo namin. Give me a beat. Give me a beat.
Give me a Jeju beat.
Give me a Jeju beat.
Sige. Give me a
5,
Jeju beat.
6, 7, 8. Dito sa Jeju. Gusto kong umachu.
Nagka-allergy pala sa Jeju.
Chu. Achu.
I feel like I want to sleep every day.
Oh.
The weather is so good. Like, oh my god.
Oh my God.
Weather is
Dapat
very
sumayaw.
cold, very cold,
Dapat-
and very beautiful. The sea, the lights of the building.
Yeah.
When it's night, I feel so in love
Yeah.
with this place. with
Good
this
weather to be
place.
in love.
With this
You already
place.
poured it
Ano daw?
out.
Ano daw?
With this
Yeah.
when it's night, I feel so in love with this place. with
Good
this
weather to be
place.
in love.
You already poured in love in Jeju, right?
Fall
Thank
in
you.
love with Jeju.
Next time we planning, maybe next year we workshop. Pwede? Jeju Island?
Oo.
Pwede, 18.
Workshop with
18.
18.
Workshop in
Okay.
Jeju.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I guess, hindi nangyari, no? Hindi na natuloy, I guess.
18.
18 from Philippines.
Ah.
Yeah. This because no visa.
So walang visa dito.
No need
Kaya pwede
visa.
kayo pumunta dito kasama namin.
Hi,
Oh,
18.
really? Don't have to have visa to go Jeju?
I wish you are also here with us.
Yes.
So maybe next time we
Uy, ang dami no. I wish you're also here with us. Baka sobrang naman na-crowded yan. 10,000, 100,000 people, no?
can be with you.
Imagine.
Yeah, I heard so many rumor. Lobin
Rumor?
and Eddie is married.
Talaga.
Talaga. Oh my God.
Who? Who's married?
Married.
Who?
Heard so many rumor. Lobin and Eddie is
Robin and Eddie? Who's Robin and Eddie?
married.
Talaga.
Talaga. Oh my God. Eddie is single. Okay. Yes, please. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So, ang rumor is silang dalawa is married. Okay.
Here's a GD. People GD
Talaga.
Cafe.
Okay,
Okay. We
that makes sense.
sing a song. The Big Bang.
Big Bang.
Okay. You
Okay.
any song? Big Bang song.
5, 6, 7. Wow. Fantastic baby dance. I wanna dance. Fantastic baby dance. Fantastic Jeju.
You know what? Feeling ko no. Ewan ko lang I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe ako lang, no? But I feel like they're doing too much in here. Parang hindi sila totoong totoo. Parang sila, parang paano sabihin to? Kumbaga parang nagpapakitang gilas sila, no? Sa camera, sa tapat nila Tatang Robin. Pero I feel like hindi talaga sila to, no? Yung totoong ugali nila. I don't know why. Yung napapansin ko parang hindi sila totoo dito, no? And I feel like parang may part sa kanila na parang napipilitan na maging ganito because again, you know, yung kasabi na fake it till you make it, 'di ba? Yung parang yung pagiging jolly, like sa sobrahan yung pagiging jolly. You will see Ken in here na sobrang every time that there's a joke na parang tawan-tawa na parang I don't know, it's kind of weird, you know? Parang hindi sila. And I do understand nasa harapan ka ng boss mo, so kailangan maging magiliw ka pag empleyado ka, pag yung boss mo, kailangan parang ang sipag mo, 'di ba? Ang giliw-giliw mo pag boss, ganyan, oy. Parang ganun yung nangyayari sa kanila dito, no? Ganun yung nangyayari sa kanila. Which is, sana, ano lang, no, dahil nasa tapat lang nila si Tatang Robin. Hindi dahil sinasabihan sila na maging ganito o napipilitan sila, no? I don't know, kung ako lang, no? I feel like there's something weird, no? Sa movement and sa galaw nila, yung sa kulit nila. Hindi siya yung normal na kulit nila na nakikita natin. Kasi, again, baka sasabihin ng iba na, hindi, ganyan talaga sila kasi, ano yun eh, medyo bata pa sila, unlike right now na mature na sila. Naintindihan ko yun, but if you guys remember, bago ko panoorin yung mga karamihan ng mga video nila ngayon, ang dami kong pinanood na lumang video, right? Kasama ko kayo, di ba? We have that journey kung saan pinanood natin pinakaunang showbreak hanggang sa pinakauling showbreak and almost all other vlogs that they have, old vlogs. Makukulit talaga sila dati kaysa ngayon, no? Kasi nagpa-mature na sila. Pero hindi sila ganito na parang medyo parang na-OA, no? Minsan wala na sa hulog yung pagkakulit. No? I don't know. Maybe it's me. Maybe matagal na kasi akong nanonood ng gato ka lumang vlog nila na sobrang luma talaga. Maybe naninibago ako. Maybe ako lang, no? Correct me. But there's something wrong, man.
Oh, yeah.
Jeju.
Oh,
Fantastic.
yeah.
Jeju.
So if you come to Jeju, actually, you can dream or wish come true.
Talaga.
Have you seen some
Stone.
like black
Blackstone.
stone statues
Oh,
while you are
yes,
Yes.
I
moving?
think we
그리고 이제 touch and then pray wish.
If you touch after the praying, then yeah, the
Big
wish
stone
will
in
come.
June.
Yeah, big
Yeah.
stone.
With
Can I bring the Blackstone in Philippines?
Cannot.
with
Cannot.
strip, like
Too
strip
heavy.
bead.
That's why
No, no, no.
that stone is
There's
a very,
black
very
stone.
important
Looks
in
like
here.
a human. You can see it
Oh.
while you're.
하루,
there are a lot.
하루방 is Lolo.
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 Old
Oh,
stone.
old.
Yeah, grandma.
Haruba.
near our rest house.
Yeah,
There is.
yeah, that one.
Okay? 그러면 하루방을 꼭 만져서 소원을 이뤘으면 좋겠어.
So I want you to touch your harubang and
So,
then you wish
wish.
so that the wish come true.
Oh shit, mukhang si Harubang sa mga dahilan kung bakit SB19 is naka-perform in Lollapalooza, you know?
어떤
Harubang,
What
W.
wish?
What wish you have?
Good health,
Good health, okay.
success,
Success.
and
Of course.
forever happy.
Forever happy.
My wish. Yeah.
Is my-
Always Cecil, please have a good voice.
Always heaven. Something.
Yeah, always have.
Heaven.
Justin, what you wish?
Oh,
Hindi na maluluma
I wish
yan.
that everything.
You know what? Sa totoo lang, no? At this point, parang during this time, si Stel kasi is napakaganda ng boses, no? Hindi natin may tatanggihan. But if we compare the Stel ngayon tapos yung Stel noon, mas magaling yung Stel ngayon kasi Stel has techniques now, you know, sa pagkanta. And like before, kasi parang dati kasi kumakanta siya, maganda yung boses niya, di ba? Talent niya na talaga yon, inborn na talent. Pero wala pa siyang ganong kalulupit na technique noon. Kaya lang niyang kumanta ng maganda, you know? But now, is mas na-improve pa niya yung vocals niya, which is somehow mas na-improve pa niya, which is I feel like that's unfair, but sure. And at the same time, nagkaroon na siya ng, you know, naging stable na yung vocals niya, no? Kasi dati kaya niyang kumanta ng mataas, pero I feel like pag sobrang taas na and sobrang haba na belt, parang nagiging shaky yung vocals niya. Ngayon, hindi na no? Hindi na. And then, he has techniques now. So, I feel like yung Stel ngayon, pagdating sa vocal, it's unreachable, man. It's unreachable. Like, yung level ng vocals ni Stel ngayon is hindi mo na maaabot sa vocal training. Kasi diba, again, singing is one of the talent na pwede mong matutunan. Totoo yan, guys. Napatunayan nila ilang beses. Kung pinanganak ka man na wala kang talent sa pagkanta, you can, you know, hire a vocal coach or vocal trainer and it will improve, man. It will improve. But I feel like yung level ni Stel is hindi na kayang maabot ng mga dahil sa pagte-training. Like you really have to have a talent in singing, you know, like inborn talent to possibly na maabot si Stel. Hindi na siya madadala ng training lang, no? So yeah. Unreachable, man.
Be just okay, even though
Justin, okay?
just okay, even though they don't reach the above okay, at least they don't go
Below okay.
That's okay.
Oh,
Enough.
okay.
For my parents, because my mother is sick, I hope she'll be
Oh.
okay
Oh.
soon, and my father, I hope he got very strong.
Oh, yes, okay. My wish, Justin, always like cute.
Always be cute. Always be
Okay?
foggy.
No
The
more
main visual.
plastic surgery, okay? Anymore. Always smile. Keep smiling. Okay na?
Ngiti nga, ngiti sa camera. Ngiti.
Kiss mo nga sa ilong, kiss mo.
Kamsamnida.
Sejun.
My wish is simple only. I wish for all the people to be happy.
Yeah. All people.
Always, all.
Oh. Yeah.
Because if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
My wish, the Sejun, Sunni, tanggal, breath.
Akala ko matanggal ka sa
Dito.
Tatanggalin sa SB19 soon. Tanggal.
Tanggal SB19.
I can be more happy because they can see my smile.
It's
Yes.
okay. Even though you blasted, wala meron, doesn't matter. Pan 18, always love you.
네,
sir.
감사합니다. Thank you so much.
That really my lovely Josh.
My wish, I
Is your
want
command.
to inspire a lot of people,
Yes.
make a change, Philippine economy go up.
Yeah. Economy,
You gotta
economy
go
also.
up.
Economy of Philippines go up because we can share discipline in everyone.
Yes.
He also wish white jogging pants. His dream.
My wish
White
about
shaggy
Joshi, please more, longer.
Tumangkad, more height.
He wish economy grow. Sabi ni wish, just grow.
Okay, I will grow. Okay.
Pablo's jokes are hitting today, man.
Can't.
Pablo's jokes are hitting.
Your command.
Good health for my family.
Yes.
Of course,
Especially
always.
SB19 and Worldwide Star SB19.
Yeah,
oh.
The world star.
Yes, right. Okay, good. Like BTS.
Yeah, like that.
I mean, they're almost there, man. Almost there, no?
Okay, yes, okay.
The future.
My wish.
Imagine, no, at this point, di pa nila sure kung magtutuloy ba to, no, itong ano nila. I mean, they're starting something, no? But hindi pa talaga sila sure kung ito ay magbubunga, no? To something na na magiging stable and may magpapatuloy nila ng pangmatagalan. And here they're just making contents because again, they have to release content. And kasi ganun yung parang usual setup ng mga idols pag nag-debut, di ba? Kailangan nila ipakilala yung mga idols. So they have to make sure to release content ng mga ganito, no? To paita yung personality nila for the people to know them and to para makarelate sa kanila. That's the use of this content, no? But at this point, technically nagpapakilala pa lang sila, no? They are in the music scene already, but yung SB19 o yung Soundbreak, hindi pala talaga nabe-break yung yung music scene at this point, no? And nangangarap sila, 'di ba? But di pa sila sure. But ngayon, man, look at them. Sobrang layo na ng nila.
Can please clean up.
Maligo.
Clean up?
Maligo daw.
Actually, I take a bath.
SB19
Medyo kinat si Ken. Medyo kinat.
Philippine 많은 분들한테 inspiration.
So SB19 is giving some good inspiration to Filipino, but hopefully we can give more good energy to them.
내가 제일 기쁜 건 내가 very happy는 my the Facebook friend, some fan 18 gave to me the 성적표 record, what the school record.
School record.
Oh, 그럼
Pina-follow pa rin kaya Tatang Robin ng SB19. Like, sa mga ano nila. Sa journey nila. So, I feel like, masaya din yung pinagsamahan nila, no? Masaya din yung pinagsamahan nila eh. Tagal-tagal din, right? I mean, dati matanggi na paano wala si Tatang Robin, hindi natin may kilala tong limang to, right?
그래서 이제 거기에 로빈, SB19의 영향으로 성적이 올랐어요.
Because of you guys, some of fans their grades getting high because they really study hard.
Card,
나는
full card.
나는 very happy.
네네.
Okay. Never give up. Okay, never give up. Some fan send me, I wanna married with 세준.
But she
Right.
said that maybe it's impossible.
내가 그래서 never give up.
They'll give up.
Never give up.
I'll never give up.
Already.
Pwede naman.
Gusto pakasalan.
God knows that. Only God knows that, right?
Yeah, true.
Never give up. 18, okay? Marry Stepede, marry
Never
Justin, marry with Sejun, marry with Joshi, marry with
Tatang Robin, you're creating parasocial in here. Kaya sobrang daming 18 ngayon ang umaasa na somehow, di ba? Ikaw pa lang dahilan, Tatang Robin. Ikaw.
Ken.
Pinaasa mo lahat.
Never give up.
Definitely.
Never give up.
나를 원래 marry.
Second half.
Oh, sorry, my wife. Okay, sorry.
Sorry to my wife.
Sorry.
So lastly, please give some message to fans that what you are right now preparing for your next album.
콘서트 전이니까.
So
Okay.
it's the,
콘서트 때 뭘 보여줄지.
so what kind of things you will show it to
Oh,
them in
What the fuck?
Secret.
It's a secret.
But to all 18 fans, we will give you lots of explosive, impactful performances. We will show you new, different genre and solo performances,
Yeah.
and all of you will enjoy it.
How about new album?
And of
New
course,
song. New song also.
Yes, we will be performing there our new song. Bagong-bago kasama siya sa album. So ayun, makikita nyo dun yung full performance na.
So as a hint, so you can show you the only one motion of the new song.
Only one motion.
5, 6, 7.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
No music, no music.
Oh, no music.
No music, yeah.
Okay.
Not yet.
Thank you very much. Okay, maraming
Alam.
salamat. Okay.
Diba? Alam yun, diba?
Keep on, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Okay, we always
Of course.
prepare bagong content.
Content.
Yes, soon. Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat guys.
18.
Love ya.
I enjoyed that. Nice. Very wholesome. Okay, that is again SB19 with Tatang Robin and Honganda at Monsant Jeju. This is coffee time. Nakakatuwa no, na makita yung mga ano nila, yung mga lumang video nila kung saan sila nagsimula. Also, makita mo rin talaga na yung pinagkaiba nung noon sa ngayon. But I really believe no na during this coffee time nila they're showing a facade in here na hindi naman talaga sila I guess the fake it till you make it is actually a thing lalo na kung nag-uumpisa ka sa isang industriya. You have to make sure na always magiliw yung dating mo. Maybe that's the one thing na masaya ako na nagagawa na ng SB19 ngayon is to be themselves, kung sino man talaga sila. Hindi nila kailangang ipilit kung, ano yung magiging reaction nila or ganyan, kung ano yung i-joke nila. Because hawak na nila yung sarili nila. But you can actually see in here that there is something weird. Hindi naman siya OA na OA, but yeah, I hope na, again, sabi ko nga, I hope na yung magiging magiliw na yun is dala lang ng dahil nakaharap nila yung boss nila, hindi dahil sa pinipilit sila ng mga tao sa paligid nila na no, you have to, you know, be jolly, you know, extra jolly. Kahit anong gawin, kailangan sobrang jolly mo or ganyan, no? But yeah, that's our reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That's very, very wholesome video. And nakakatawang makita ko yung mga pangarap na noon na natutupad ngayon, na nakikita na natin. But if you want to react to more of SB19, just comment down below. Or if you want to react to your favorite artist, sing a rapper song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you in the next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.